Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find sound. Then let's tap on ringtone here. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. What I wanted to show you also, that at the top of this list we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And right here in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, so if you've got something, for example, recorded like right here, or downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those which are pre-installed, and if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and your device will basically oh, I'm a little bit stupid. I just could do that here, and basically your device will show you, or basically show you how the specific ringtone sounds. So let's pretend I wish to play this one as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to mark the option and then go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, now device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.